Hey guys, Tom from 6 Foot Networks here. I wanted to take a brief moment to intro this video. A couple weeks ago, a group of buddies and I, for a client, we did a job that basically involved the re-racking of an entire, I think it was 2.5 racks. This process involved a server shutdown, an entire system shutdown, as well as the removal of hardware, which then had to be replaced and re-racked and cabled properly. Hope you enjoy the time lapse. The time lapse spans 3 days of work, and it's really sped up. Each section is about 9 hours. It's a 9-hour day, basically. So if you have any questions, feel free to drop me a line. Enjoy the time lapse. Have a good one. Bye-bye.